Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. First, enable voice chat inside Roblox settings under Privacy, and make sure your account is verified with ID. Next, plug in a headset or mic and set system input volume to a mid-range, around 50 to 75%, so recognition is stable. Once done, sign out and back in to force the permission refresh. This updates Roblox's access to your microphone and starts the voice control handshake immediately. Now continue by configuring and calibrating voice control for reliable recognition. Grant microphone permission to Roblox in your operating system or browser. Then open the in-game voice panel and run the calibration routine while speaking normal volume phrases so the sensitivity slider learns your range. If your environment is noisy, switch to push-to-talk and bind a key. Otherwise, enable open mic with a higher threshold. Make sure to test across different Roblox experiences, because each place can inherit different voice permissions. Finish by validating the connection and knowing one key fix if things go wrong. Confirm the voice icon turns active and you see the green transmission indicator when speaking. Once done, join a test server and verify others hear you, and make sure game-specific audio settings aren't muting chat. If voice fails, first restart the Roblox client. If that doesn't help, re-verify your ID and reinstall the app. Or swap to a different microphone. Often a hardware change resolves stubborn permission or driver conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.